Today I want to introduce you to Copilot Money, a personal finance and budgeting app that many users love. I'll walk you through what it does and how to get started. Copilot Money is designed for iPhone, iPad and Mac. It pulls together all your financial accounts, bank accounts, credit cards, investments, subscriptions, into one clean dashboard, giving you a full picture of your net worth, income, expenses, and recurring bills. One of the main things I like about Copilot is the interface. It's simple, clean, and visually appealing, which makes tracking money less stressful. The dashboard shows recent transactions, total spending this month, budget categories, upcoming bills, everything you need at a glance. Copilot also uses smart automation and machine learning to categorize your spending automatically based on past behavior. Over time, it gets better at knowing what's groceries, what's bills, what's leisure, etc., which saves you a lot of manual work. Other useful features include setting budgets per category, having budgets roll over unused money to next month, tracking investments and assets including real estate, seeing net worth growth, and tracking recurring subscriptions so you never forget a bill. So here's how you get started. First, download Copilot Money on your iPhone, iPad or Mac. Then link your bank accounts, cards, and any investment or asset accounts you want to track. Once connected, Copilot will automatically import transactions. After that, review how it arranged your spending and adjust categories if needed. The more you use it, the smarter it gets. It's a subscription app, but many say it's worth it for the design, convenience, and features without ads or data selling. In short, Copilot Money makes budgeting, tracking, saving, and investing simpler and more organized. If you want control over your finances, give it a try. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want a follow-up showing how to set savings goals inside Copilot Money.